everyone. Today we will do question number 9 of exercise 7.2. And the question is, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining A and B. A and B. Coordinates of A are minus 2, 2 and B are 2, 8 in 4 equal parts. Okay, we need to find the coordinates of the points we divide the line segment AB in 4 equal parts. See, first of all we will divide the AB in 2 equal parts. So the point would be C, that is C is the midpoint of AB. We can find its coordinate X and Y. If this is X1, Y1, this is X2, Y2. Then find the coordinates of the point C, that is the midpoint of A and B. Now, we can find the midpoint of AC, that is D. Okay, so this D is the midpoint of AC. Again we can apply midpoint formula. Suppose its coordinates are A, B. Then find the midpoint of the side CB. Suppose this point is E. E is the midpoint of AB, and suppose its coordinates are P and Q. In this way, AB will be divided into 4 equal parts: AD, DC, CE and EB. Okay. So this is a very simple method, and by applying simple midpoint formula, we can find the coordinates of the point D, C, E. So first of all, we will find the coordinates of the point C. So C is the midpoint of AB. So simply apply midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 divided by 2. So X1 is minus 2, X2 is 2 divided by 2. Plus minus 0, 0 by 2, 0. Y, 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay. So X is 0, Y is 5. X is 0, Y is 5. Now we will find the coordinates of the point D. D is the midpoint of AC. So A is minus 2 plus 0 upon 2. B is 2 plus 5 upon 2. So it would be minus 2 divided by 2, minus 1, and 5 plus 2, 7 by 2. So its coordinates are minus 1 upon 7 by 2. Now we will find the E. So E is the midpoint of CB. So XP is 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Q, 5 plus 8 divided by 2. That is 13 by 2. So the coordinates of the point Q are 1, 13 by 2. So these are the 3 points that whose coordinate we need to find: D, C, E. Okay, simple. So this is the question number 9. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.